Hey, I've been pretty busy. I've been real busy. I'm a regular now. I frequent the scene at the KCP most nights often than not. And everyone's always coming up to me, hollering, shouting, Ramblin' Man, Ramblin' Man. You know, it's a right fine tune, but I'm a little bit surprised by how often people regularly request it. Anyhow, figuring how popular that tune is, I figured maybe the whole world would want to see it, see how it's done. So I got time for a tutorial today, and put it here on YouTube.com. And just the thought of that got me thinking just how cool it is and how nifty that I can press a few buttons and send myself to every screen in America, in Argentina, in Afghanistan, in Guyana, in anywhere. If you're like me, you might be a so-called visual loner. You might see something with your own eyes and then adapt it into your own life. And I guess it's pretty common. It's funny too, and I'm not sure why they call it what they do, but because you never have to give it back. That's my type of loan. For real, I've got outstanding debt. I mean, it's a staggering sum. That's why I've been doing the open mics down at KCP. Getting back on topic a little bit, here is Ramblin' Man, and I hope you're able to borrow it from me today after I teach you how to play it. Yeah, it's funny because I didn't really expect this song to experience such a surge of popularity in 2018, you know, in these days. But sky is still blue. So, without further ado, here is Ramblin' Man by the Jonas Brothers. Oh, excuse me. What? No. No. No, I spoke with No, I sent an email to Sherry Quackenbush. Yeah, I got my permit. No, I can't go to the fish fry. I thought I told you. Well, Kyle caught wind of it, and he's got me covered, so we're good. Okay, hey, look, I can't speak right now. Please don't call back. Love you. Anyhow, there's an empty rail car in my train of thought. Yeah, I once took a train across the country. It was positively magical. It was before Liz and the kids, of course. But I went to see a musician, actually. But he didn't play guitar. Matter of fact, he didn't even play Ramblin' Man. And that brings me to my point here. I need to show you how it's done. What I'm doing today. Got my guitar ready to rip. And it's just simply astounding how many people know how to play these things. Make beautiful noises out of them. And then you got that whole culture that surrounds the old six string. You know, every guitar player around the globe knows a G, every single one. And then just to think of what people have done and what they can do with these things, you know, I like to think of the greats, like Mr. Elwood. Mr. Elwood. You know, he played in all sorts of styles, never got tired of any of them. He just was good. Yeah, and what did he say? He used to say this thing that was real funny about. What was it? He would say that he played the eclectic guitar. That's rich. That's real rich. Honey, look, I'm making a video. I know. I know. I'm picking up the kids at 6. And no, I'm not. I'm not taking them out for treats. Jeez Louise, Liz. You don't take them to the dentist? You don't know how bad their teeth are. Their breath stinks. And please don't get me started on that insurance plan. You know about the premium. If you think I'm going to wrestle with that right now, you are just dumb stupid. Okay? No. I'm hanging up. I'm hanging it off. Well, I think it's about time we look at that track now. So the first chord is a